I get myself Haripriya. So today's topic is how to perform group discussion in the interview. Conducting a GDs in an interview is to help the interviewer to assess the employees' communication skills, teamwork, leadership, and also team building skills of the employees. And also, as a participant, you should also contribute effectively in the GD. Here are some of my tips. Take the lead first. So taking the lead is that engaging in the discussion actively. So actively listen to the group discussion and also contribute your thoughts to the interviewer so that it gives a best and long-lasting impressions on you. Next one is actively listening. Pay attention to what others are also expressing their thoughts in the group discussion so that it helps you to respect their opinions and as well as giving your suggestions and also expressing your thoughts. Be assertive but not aggressive. Stay confident on what you are explaining or discussing, but at the same time don't be aggressive or dominate the discussion. Speak clearly and concisely. Keep the point on view and also speak clearly so that everyone understands what you are discussing, and also give everyone the choice to talk in the discussion. Put your points with examples. That means explain your thoughts and points with real life examples or experiences you have, and also this helps them to be more convincing in the group discussions. Next, manage the time effectively. Ensure that you keep an eye on the time so that the topic will be on the track. By that, you should not exceed the time limit for the topic in the discussion. Work on your body language and appearance. These are two main non-verbal communication that everyone will notice you at the time of GDs. So be prepared well by assessing some of the YouTube channels and websites that may to express your thoughts and also get the impressions well. Next, conclude and summarize the GDs. At the end of the discussions, you should summarize with main important points that have discussed in the GDs, so that this helps you to synthesize the information and draw the conclusions very easily. Thank you.